Let's start now by pre-rendering our project within Premiere Pro.
Now that we have made an edit, color graded it, applied some transitions and used some graphics, you might run into some performance issues. The color lines in your timeline show how your device is handling that specific scene. Green means it couldn't be better. Yellow means just fine. And red means it's heavy for your device. So when it's red, you might want to pre-render it to make it a little bit easier for you and for your device. To do so, just press Enter on your keyboard. If you want to make the yellow line also turning green, you could also do that by going into Sequence and then clicking Render into Out. That might take a while and it's also not very effective, so I wouldn't recommend you doing that.